Hey, my fellow sneakerheads, sneaker resident Benjamin Scott. Welcome to the first episode of Sneaker Jamz Rebound after the show. And today I have my special guest, Latia Douglas, and we're going to be talking about 803 Modeling Company. So this is the first ever after the show. Of course, we never got a chance to talk about it, but now this is absolutely exclusive here on Sneaker Jam. So tell me about 803 model production. How did you get into it?
Um, Shout out to 803. I got into them because I'm a model. I do print as well.
Nice.
So doing a print, I came across some photos floating around the internet of some that 803 took.
Cool.
The names who represent 803 is Glow Williams and Siobhan Williams. They're married. Very awesome couple. I really highly respect them. But I seen their work floating around, and I am a cancer survivor.
Oh, okay.
And my very first photo shoot with them was a cancer survivor shoot.
Okay.
I reached out to them because I was so insecure. Mind you, they've been floating around on my social media for a while.
Right.
And I had fell back because of the pandemic, and I had cancer right here in my head.
Okay.
It was a form of skin cancer, so I just want to throw this out here before I continue. If you all see any blemishes on your skin or see something that's not right, go get it checked out, because they can take care of it in the earliest stages, and you do not have to go through what I went through in the later stages, because recovery is pretty tough. But back to the subject at hand. I reached out to 803, Siobhan to be exact, and I gave her an idea of a photo shoot.
Okay.
Which was a cancer survivor photo shoot.
Oh, that's cool.
And in the process of it, she was like, "I'm with it." She say, you got some jeans, I'll paint them for you, because I'll paint them and go find you a vest or two, a blazer." I said, "Okay, cool." So I went and gave her 2 pairs of jeans and found a nice white vest, and they painted it for me, and that was my very first photo shoot with them.
That is awesome and very inspirational too.
Thank you. The reason behind the photo shoot with 803, for one, because I seen that 803 was really making waves. And then when I reached out to Siobhan and I actually spoke to Siobhan, she was real open-minded about the ideas that I had, and very caring about it. So during the photo shoot, before the photo shoot, I was very insecure about the cut that was in my head. I thought I was going to be ugly. I thought that, it actually shrunk my security a little bit. I became very insecure with myself, because I knew I was going to have this big hole on the side of my head, and it really shrunk me on the inside. So that photo shoot and meeting up with Team 803, it actually brought my insecurities up and out. So I felt empowered. I felt determined to show the world that, I don't care what's going on with me, I can still smile beyond the pain. And in the process of being in front of the camera again with 803, I felt just that. I felt empowered. I felt strong. I felt secure again in myself. I felt loved. And the pictures that they took and the love that I received in return, oh man, it was all worth it. It was all worth it. And it actually made me even more secure in myself than I was prior to me finding out that I had a form of skin cancer, a rare form of skin cancer. And on top of me doing it, it's just, I am who I am. I speak how I speak, and I just feel how I am now. So all congrats and big ups to Team 803. But because of them, y'all helped me get my confidence back, and I appreciate y'all for that.
Also, a big shout out to 803 Modeling Production. You gave this girl, a lot more light, and she is now more happier than ever. And I want to thank you guys for helping her out. No doubt about that. Big ups to you. Shout out to y'all.
Well, I've always been happy. Let me throw that out there. I've always been happy because I smiled through the pain. They just helped me come out of my insecurity that I had, due to the surgery that I had. So I always been happy. I smiled through it. A lot of people didn't even know I was going through what I was going through because I kept a smile on my face. But Team 803 definitely helped me get over that hurdle of having that insecurity about my skin cancer.
Okay, okay, okay. Well, I'm glad you're still here with us
Thank
because
you.
you are a survivor, no doubt about that. And God has been watching down on you. And I'm
Yeah.
so blessed that you are healed and you're still here and even spreading the word to everybody out there. No doubt about that. I applaud you for that.
Thank you.
100%. And to everybody out there, even though you are a cancer survivor, remember, you've been through a lot of challenges out there. Those who have terminal cancer, those who have lupus, breast cancer, remember, you are a soldier from God. Be happy. Keep your head up every day. No doubt about that. I mean that for real. I mean for real, baby. I mean for real. No questions asked.
Indeed. Go check out 803. They have a nice variety of boots, hats, clothes. And you also have the lingerie that Siobhan produces. Amazing, off the chain. Go check them out. You can find them at 803 across all social media.
Nice. Very, very nice. Well, thank you very much for coming on Sneaker Jam's Rebound after the show. And once again, congratulations on your cancer survivor.
Thank you.
I'm so blessed that I get a chance to talk with you. And you know what? Keep your head up every day. And still, stay on top and don't let nobody treat you like shit, okay?
Oh, they ain't going for that. And you too. I'm gonna give you props on your own show. I see you doing your thing. You know, you've been in a few modeling shows, so congrats on that.
Thank you.
Congrats on your awareness also on autism. I definitely appreciate that. I have a few members who has autism. And your show. Congrats on your show. I'm wishing you millions of viewers. I hope your show go worldwide and let people see it. You know.
Absolutely.
So congrats to you on all that.
Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. It really, really means a lot to me. And to everyone out here, I know I'm going to say this before I sign off. I just want to say thank y'all so much for supporting me. Keep on supporting me every day. And since last year, I was going through surgery on my lower back. Yes, it is true. I did have surgery on my lower back, and it was painful. I was on the shelf for 4 months, even 110 days at the rehab home. But I did make my return back home after I got discharged last February this year. And of course, the healing process was really long, but I made it through by the grace of God and by the grace of you guys out there. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. It means so much. And I'm going to still keep the dream alive. And you know I will never, for real, seriously, never ever let you down. Thank you for that. And thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you for having me.
It's my pleasure. And as always, this is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott with Latia Douglas. We'll see you guys next time. So God bless y'all. Peace. And always remember, lace them up and kick it with Sneaker Jams. Later.